how much of a concern that the special operations presence in Yemen has been disrupted, and on foreign internal defense, whether you think it worked in Yemen and why or why not.
Well, yeah, thanks. Well, to your first question, I think the answer is yes. We are very concerned about that. Obviously, we would prefer to be located with our Yemeni partners and being able to share information with them to understand, in particular what Al-Qaeda and the Arabian Peninsula is doing. That's obviously one of our principal concerns. So not being on the ground there and having the security situation right there does affect that. And so it is causing us to look at other ways that we recreate that linkage back and forth. And so I think that does present a little bit of a dilemma for us. That said, our people are innovative and they find ways to work through this. It's a little more difficult, certainly, but we are looking at how we reestablish that. But it is a great concern. I think there's a very great concern especially for that strain of Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula and the threat they present to our country. So I think we should be very, very concerned about that. With respect to the FID aspect of that, again, I think what it highlights to me is that it is much more comprehensive than just a military approach to this thing. It really is. I mean, ultimately, I think as things began to unravel, and the unraveling took place in the political realm in Yemen and not necessarily in the military realm. And so I think that highlights to me just that the comprehensive nature of this. We talk about foreign internal defense and we talk about it as a military-only mission, but I think it's anything but that. It really is everything. And so, if we don't have when we develop military capacity and that with our partners, it is extraordinarily important that they have a political handrail that they're linked to, that is guiding their directions, that supports all of that activity. And when we don't have that, then I think we're going to see situations like we have